Good morning, student. We have already learned about data. Now, in today's class, we will learn about mean, median, and mode. Okay. So, first is mean. What do you mean by mean? It is type of average. It is a type of average. How we find average? Sum total of observation divided by number of observation. Okay. So, mean also means average. It is also called arithmetic average और arithmetic mean. मीन के और भी नाम हैं जिनको अर्थमेटिक मीन और एवरेज मीन से भी जाना जाता है. अर्थमेटिक एवरेज, अर्थमेटिक मीन. Okay, now what is the formula to find mean? That is sum of all observation in the data divided by number of observation in the data. What we have to do, we have to add all observation and divide their sum by number of observations. Example, the points scored by a basketball team in 10 matches are 28, 31, 27, 30, 55, 60, 65, 70, 80 and 84. Okay. Find the mean score of the basketball team. Now we have to find the mean score. To find mean score, we have to use this formula, sum of all observation divided by number of observation. Okay, so these are observation. We have to add these first. 28 plus 31, 27 plus 30 plus 55 plus 60 plus 65 plus 70 plus 80 plus 84. And divide it by number of observation. How many observations are there? 10 observation. It is already written. Okay, that is 10 matches. That's why we divide it by 10. Now, sum of these observation is 530 and number of observation is 10. When we divide 530 by 10, we get 53. So, mean for this question is, this example is 53. Okay. Now, next is median. It is set of data arranged in order smallest to largest or smallest to largest to the smallest. The median is the middlemost value of the data. Okay. What do you mean by median? Median means the middle term of your data when you arrange it in descending order or ascending order. You can arrange your data in any order, but you have to arrange that. Okay, in ascending order or descending order. So, how we find median? N. N means number of observation. Number of observation, you can count that and then you add 1 in that and divide it by 2. But this formula is applicable only for the odd number of observation. Okay. Let us take one example. Find the median for the data as follows: 568, 370, 210, 380, 334, 510, 482. In this question, we have to find median. So, first we arrange this data in ascending or descending order. You can arrange in any order. I am arranging it in ascending order. So, 210 first, 334 second, 370 third, 384, 482 fifth, 510 sixth and 568 seventh observation. Okay. Now, the middlemost term is 380. So, the median is the fourth observation, that is 380. What we have to do? We have to check the middle number, middle observation. Okay, so in this question, middle number is 380. Middle observation is 380. So our median is 380. And second formula, second way to find median in case of odd number is n plus 1 divided by 12th observation. Okay, so what do you mean by n? Number of observation. How many observations are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this question, 7 observations are here. So we write 7 at the place of n. Then add 1 in 1 in it and divided by 2. So 7 plus 1, 8 divided by 2, that is fourth observation. Now check fourth observation of your arranged data. Fourth observation is 380. So answer is 380. Okay. So in case of odd number of observations, you have to count your observations and then check it is odd number of observation or even number of observation. आपको अपनी observations को arrange करना है ascending और descending order में. उसके बाद आप चेक करोगे कि जो आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशंस हैं वो इवन नंबर है या ओड नंबर्स है. इट मींस नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन आपको काउंट करना है कितनी ऑब्जर्वेशन है. अगर आपकी काउंटिंग इवन आती है, अगर आपकी काउंटिंग ओड आती है, सो आप उसको चेक करोगे ओड है या इवन है. अगर आपकी काउंटिंग ओड है सो आप ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे, दैट इज n प्लस 1 बाय 2. n क्या होगा आपका, जितनी आपके पास ऑब्जर्वेशन है वो. सो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 7 ऑब्जर्वेशंस थी, दैट्स वाई 7 प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, दैट इज फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन. फिर आप अपने अरेंज्ड डेटा में से चेक करोगे फोर्थ ऑब्जर्वेशन कौन सी है एंड दैट विल बी योर आंसर, दैट इज 380. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज median for even numbers. How we find median for the even number? Simple formula is that add the middlemost terms. ओके, आपको क्या करना है, आपका जो क्वेश्चन होगा, आपका जो डेटा होगा, उसको पहले अरेंज करना है. आफ्टर दैट आप उसकी मिडल टू टर्म्स को देखोगे. ठीक है, जो आपकी मिडल टू टर्म्स होगी उनका सम डिवाइडेड बाय 2, that is your answer. Okay, and second way is number of observation divided by 2 plus number of observation plus 1 divided by 2 divided by 2. It means we have to find mean of our middle two numbers. Okay, let us take one example. Find the median for the data as follows. In this case, data is given 152 centimeter, 151 centimeter, 184 centimeter, 170 centimeter, 130 centimeter and 162 centimeter. First, we have to arrange this in any order, ascending or descending. I am arranging it in ascending order. So, first 130, then 151, then 152, then 160, then 170, then 184. Now, in this case, number of observations are 6. So, n is 6 and 6 is a even number. So, we have to use this formula, that is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Means n is 6. So, 6 by 2th observation plus, I forgot to write plus here. Six by 2th observation plus 6 by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. Okay, so n is 6. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. And when we take LCM, we get 8 by 2. And 8 by 2 is equal to 4. It means third observation plus fourth observation divided by 2. Third observation is 152 and fourth observation is 160. So we have to find their sum and divide that sum by 2. Sum is 112 divided by 2 and our answer is 156 centimeter. So median for this case is 156 centimeter. Okay. Now second way is median equals to sum of two middlemost terms. We have to take our two middlemost terms. In this question, there are 6 terms, 6 observation, and middlemost terms are third and fourth. Third and fourth are middlemost terms. Now, we have to add these and find their mean. So third observation plus fourth observation by 2. 152 plus 160 divided by 2, that is 312 divided by 2, and answer is 156 centimeter. So median is 156 centimeter. You can solve questions by any method, by using formula or by writing this and finding. Okay. I am giving some questions related to mean and median, and you don't have to find mode today because I am not explaining it today. Tomorrow I will explain it. Okay. Thank you.